Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete your Instagram account permanently. Okay, let's go to the video. Okay, tap on Instagram app and go to your Instagram account. Okay, now click on your profile icon. Now click on three lines on the right side top. Then click on settings. Then you can see here help. Click on help. Then click on help center. Now it is asking to open with some browser. Here I choose Chrome. Now it is opening with Chrome. Here click on managing your account. Then click on delete your account. Here now how do I delete my Instagram account? Click on that. Now you can scroll down. Now you can see here delete your account page. Click on that. Now again you need to select the browser. Here again I choose Chrome. Here it is asking to login. Now now you need to enter your login details. Okay, I enter the Jadu shop password. Okay, now login. Now we are directed to the delete your account page. Here you need to select the reason. Why do you want to delete your account, your username? Here click on this. Now you can select any of these. Privacy concerned, or I say something else. Here now you need to enter the password again. The password. Okay, you see, if you continue your profile and account details will be deleted on January 4, 2021. You won't visible Instagram between now and then. If you change your mind, you can look back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. This is the permanent deleting your account, but if you want to recover your account again, if you change your mind, you can look back before this date. It will this around 3 weeks. Your profile and account details will be hidden until January 4, 2021 and deleted on that date. On this date, the account will be deleted permanently, but before that, you can recover your account. Keep in mind that. That means if you delete your account today, then after 4 weeks, before 4 weeks, you can recover your account. Here click on delete my account. It asks, are you sure you want to delete your account? Click on OK. Okay, now it shows your account will be deleted on January 4, 2021. That's it. And again it said, if you change your mind, look back in before then and choose to keep keep your account. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos.